came to Target at a very early in the morning, and I was finally able to get the Jurassic Park Legacy Jeeps. I really wanted them. First, we got the Ford Explorer. That's from the very first Jurassic Park. 1983 Jurassic Park, the original one. This thing is very highly collectible. Did you guys know that if you ever find this toy truck from 1983 at any let's say vintage store or vintage toy store or flea market or something, whether if it's box or loose, this thing costs thousands of dollars right here. This from the original movie. If you ever find one, whether if it's used, unopened, or open, grab it. This thing is very collectible. From the original movie, it has to be from the 1993 movie. And I was also able to find the Jeep Wrangler. I was after this thing for the longest, and I was finally able to get it. So good stuff, good graphics, pretty nice. So this is the one, if you notice, with the little cover thing in here, whatever you call it, tent, I don't know, that. And then this is the one with the cage instead. Same vehicle, but just one with the cage and one without the cage. Yeah, I was able to get them all. So, Legacy collection. Yes, I'm getting these right here. Nothing Hot Wheels. There's a lot of stuff back there, but I've already went through it, so they've got some shop trucks. Oh, here goes another one. But I'll leave that behind. So they've got some stuff here, some good stuff, but I'm only taking what I need. Look at the combat van. Right? So I'm only taking what I need. That's a shop trucks collection there, all of it. So. All right, guys. I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Until then, all right, happy hunting. And God bless.